Welcome to the OCN How to Register Learners tutorial. Please navigate to our website on www.ocnni.org.uk. Go to the My OCN icon and select Quartz. Input your username and password and select the terms and conditions and log in. Once logged into QuartzWeb, click on the icon Registered Learners and select the qualification or endorsed course programme that you wish to register your learners for. The provision area allows you to filter between essential skills, vocational qualification and endorsed courses. The qualification and endorsed course drop-down box lists the qualifications or endorsed courses which your centre is approved to deliver. The qualification, if relevant, will appear automatically. Select Continue. Please note that if the qualification is not displayed in the drop-down menu, you will need to complete a qualification approval form. This can be found on the home page when you log into QuartzWeb. You now need to enter the details about the class. The run description. This can be used by you to identify a specific group of learners. The run start date. This is a mandatory field and is selected from the drop-down calendar format. This is also known as the class start date. The provider reference. This is optional and can be used by you to enter a unique reference number for the run. It will appear on the invoice sent to your centre. The purchase order number. This is also optional and can be used by your organisation if appropriate. The site. Select the site where you are delivering the qualification or the course from the drop-down list. If the site name is not displayed, click Amend Sites to enter a new one. Select the tutor who is delivering the qualification from the drop-down list. To add a new tutor to the list, please contact the customer services team. Select the internal verifier from the drop-down list. Also, to add a new internal verifier to the list, please contact the customer services team. The Notes on Submission box is optional and can be filled in with additional information that we need to know, such as an additional internal verifier or tutor, or a specific site address you need certificates sent to. Once you have completed the administrative details, you need to submit the registration template with your learners' details. The registration template can be downloaded at the bottom of the page. Click the link shown and an Excel spreadsheet will open with the registration template. It's important that you do not edit or alter the template in any way, such as the columns or the font. If a field cannot be filled in, please leave the cell blank. The following 5 mandatory fields must be completed on the registration template: forename, surname, gender, postcode, and date of birth. Once you've entered all your learners' details, save it to an appropriate folder on your device. Your file will now be ready for submission. Once you've entered all your learners' details, save the document onto a folder on your device. Now choose the file to submit by clicking Select File. Once selected, a preview of your document will appear on the screen. Once you've attached your spreadsheet, click Continue with Unit Registration. You now need to select the units that you're delivering within the qualification or the endorsed course. Units can be added individually by clicking Add Unit, or click Add All if you're delivering all of the units. The selected units will appear at the top of your screen. Once you've selected all your units, select Continue. Please check that all your information that you wish to submit is accurate. If you need to edit any of the information, click Amend. Once you've checked all your information on the screen is correct, click Submit. You will now see a confirmation message with the new run ID for the registration you've just submitted.